Luster Prime. This is the Blur and Smooth 100. I never noticed before, but this has a smell to it. I can't put my finger on it. For a foundation today, I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty Moisturizing Foundation Stick in Deep Warm. I like foundation sticks, they're quick and easy. The shade is a tad bit darker, but once you put powders and things on, it'll be okay. I like to add a little more on my problem areas. Now I'm taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Dark 44 and just putting a little bit underneath the eyes. I'm taking the Eyeshadow-Flawless concealer brush, and I like this brush because it's small enough to like get in that inner corner. You want to work fast with this concealer because it does dry down pretty fast. I have the fan on, the fridge. Every time I sit down to record, the fridge goes off. So just ignore. Now I'm going to set the under eye with the Colourpop No Filter Banana Powder. And whatever I have left on the sponge, I'm going to sweep it on my eyelid to kind of set that concealer. I'm going to be contouring with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. I really like this palette. Gives me a nice like contour snatched look. Now I'm just going to sweep away the banana powder under the eyes. I really like this powder. It gives me a brightening effect under my eyes. Like it really brightens under the eyes without being too much and like too flashback Mary. So looking real snatched right now with the face and the contour. For shadow, I'm going into the Coastal Scents. This is a customized palette, and I'm just taking this brown shade. And we're gonna put this in the crease, above the crease, a little bit below the crease, but not on the lid part. We wanna leave that empty for the shimmer we're gonna put on. I like this brush. It's fluffy. It's by e.l.f. It's the Fluffy Eye Blender brush. And it just gets the right amount of coverage on the eye. And it's super soft. I'm gonna add just a little bit more because I really want that chocolatey brown look. Chocolatey. Ooh, I'm hungry now. I am hungry. I just watched a mukbang, a seafood mukbang, and I love seafood. I kid you not. I watched it and I'm like, okay, I have to go out and like buy crab and shrimp and corn. Now I want this color to really pop, so I'm going in with this fluffy brush. This is a number 12 from Coastal Scents, and I'm going into this brown shade. Now I'm using the same brush, but I want to blend out, so I'm going in like little circles, ovals, just to blend that out, and then back and forth. Ooh, she's looking real cute. Okay, so for the glittery eye look, I'm using Rush Hour, and this is the Colourpop Supernova Shadow. Let me swatch this for you guys. This applicator, it's so easy. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Cute. It's really easy to like, if you wanted to do like a cut crease with this, super easy as well. Ooh. I'm gonna wing it out just a little bit, just to be extra. Just a little bit. Ooh, okay. You get a lot of product. Like, you don't even see me dipping back into it. You get a lot of product on this applicator. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my other eye off camera, just so this isn't a super long video, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that same brush I used for that lighter brown shade, and I'm gonna blend just a little bit. You don't want the actual like glitter to move, so I'd be careful. I put on some mascara. You guys have seen me put on mascara a dozen times. L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm gonna take this really small, this is a detail crease brush. I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. Now the nose contour is looking a little harsh, but don't worry, I have a trick for that later. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the blush and highlighter. For blush, you already know I love the BH Cosmetics. I'm going in with this kind of like corally pink color here. Highlighter, I'm using this BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlights. This is called Glow, so this is what we'll do. And this is not a subtle highlight palette at all. Now I'm going to use the Garnier SkinActive spray. This smells delicious. Like, it smells so good, but I'm gonna spray this all over my face. It's gonna get rid of the powderness and just make everything look flawless and set. And then we're gonna add more powder on top just to mute a little bit of the blush and this nose contour. So oh my goodness, that's the best smelling setting spray I've ever smelled, and I've used quite a few. That one is really good. So now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the Matte and Poreless 334. This is like my perfect shade, and I'm just gonna use this to kind of go over the blush. You see how this side already looks more together than the other side? Now for the nose contour, taking the same brush and I'm just dabbing it. So that it just blends in better. Like this side compared to this side, day and night. Of course you want your nose to look snatched and contoured, but you don't want it to look too harsh to where you can see two lines on your face. Because then that gives away your secret. You can't give away all of your secrets. I like to put a little extra powder underneath the contour just to like lighten it up and brighten it up, and it just makes the contour look more contoured. So that's my trick. And I'm gonna spray more of this because I just want to get rid of the powdery residue on the face, and because it smells so damn good. So I'm going to go in for lips using the Colourpop and Color BFF3. Colourpop liners tend to like scoot inside, but I still like it because it's affordable and it works. So I'm just gonna go here, here. This is gonna make your lips look bigger. Not that I really need help in that department, but it also adds like definition to your lips. So if you want your lips to look bigger, of course you can overline your lips, but you can also do little lines. It's gonna make them look bigger and fuller. I am taking this super pretty chocolatey color by Loreal, and let me swatch this for you guys. This color is gorgeous. Actually on the doe side it looks purple, but it's like this super like chocolatey. It's actually kind of like a wine color, but it's so pretty. Ooh, this smells good. This smells so good. Okay. One thing I am noticing about this lipstick when I put it on is this is a very wet, liquidy formula. So with that being said, you're going to have to kind of put a little bit more on the applicator just to get it on your lips. But once it's on, I don't have any patching, it's just kind of watery, so you have to work with it. So this is the final look, and if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. As always, beauties, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time. Bye.